Spice, Shaneil, Muir, and Jada Kingdom was live in Texas last night.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Live my life today. Yeah, so long as I can't go off the top, I'm not the same. I live my life today. I live my life today. Good life about another big up.
Yeah, people, so wanna see the vibes that are going between the three ladies them. When you talk about chemistry, you see me, Spice, Jada Kingdom, and Shaneil Muir, you know, them just enjoy themselves backstage. Spice even had a little caption where she say, you know, some antics that are going backstage. But people may have some highlights for showing from the show. You know what I mean? There's a heap of video out there, but me just narrate down to a few when I get from for Spice page, Shaneil Muir, and also Jada Kingdom's page. Because it's just cool to see Jada Kingdom a video when Spice up on stage and Shaneil Muir, Spice a video when Shaneil Muir up on stage. That's cool. You see what I say? But people, before me get to the show part, I want to show no Shaneil Muir I do our sound check earlier in the day yesterday. Now, if you don't rate and respect Shaneil Muir yet, hopefully that video I gonna make you rate and respect her. When you hear the clarity in her voice, I want to know how great Shaneil Muir is going to be. You see what I say? Because she sing with feeling, people. For me, this is well touching. You see what I say? I just straight goosebumps. You see what I say? Goosebumps moment. So, I'm going to play the video for now, the sound check, and then we'll get into the show part. So, here goes.
Oh, yeah. Them no know. Me a journey, but I'm not alone. Call punch on when I need no phone, yeah. No. Me say I want church dress and watch shows, but I stay focused, I'm so grandma low. 3 talks in me up for take for gas school. Live up in a deals, now inside bathroom. My daddy have to work, so I never really sleep. And me never did that till me turn 50. Man use and abuse me, show me young and naive, yeah. But if I could start all over again, me wouldn't change a thing, me wouldn't trade a thing, because I'm a struggle, I'm a blessing. You see, if I could start all over again, me wouldn't change a thing, me wouldn't trade a thing, because and if I never know charges, if I never church, I wouldn't know who God is. If I never feel, me wouldn't put me all in darkest time of the day, or the time before dawning. Me dey on me journey, it's getting harder. If I make it this far, me know me can go farther. Me click it. I'm going to the lowest one.
Oh, you mean top girl?
Yeah. Cause them want tell you over talk and over dress and over sleep. They don't want to. Yeah. Cause them want tell you over talk and over dress and over sleep. We don't want to elevate them, feel like them alone for do it big, but so them judge you by your skin. But being black, I want more comfortable in, so yeah, me if you don't, yeah, me if you don't, them still a go talk, all if me don't provoke them. My life is an open book. Me stand firm anywhere me put me foot, cause them I use me for clickbait. And if you think you just make a mistake, but me no praise book, and me no make trouble. Me put God first, come a journey on big fear. Them can't pull and press me like I feel more private as a public figure, but I join in all the praise. But anybody this a quick case, me a tell you Houston. So me no do me body, them say me no look good. Them can't pressure this a pot it up for cook good. The 6 grand me woulda take a purchase sip on, but it's in a pro box down a yard. Oh no look good. And that we don't know everything you see and fall and live impress people, so you can't make a dollar. All who no should have glad. Say me born in a manners, otherwise me woulda tell you suck your mother them my house my fuck like this.
Yeah, people, that was a top girl herself, Shaneil Muir. May I tell you no, she a go places when you hear the clarity in her voice, when you hear all the song bad up and point everything. You see me, I said the first song where she had talked about, she used to live up in the hills and three taxis she have a tech. People is a powerful tune. And then when you know the clickbait song, you know, we still a wait for the official release, but that one they tough as well. Now people, we are gonna move on to the show part. So in the night time now, I'm gonna put all three videos together, or all three artists together, I should say. Right? I'm gonna put Shaneil Muir part, Jada Kingdom, and Spice part last. So I go show that too, no. Jada did the pan live attack earlier, and I say, you know, she just did her surgery, so you know really heal up well yet. And when I time she bend over, she feel the stitches them a pull out little bit. So she has said she never to go too hard, you know. But she said she did okay, and she said the crowd was receptive. You know what I mean? But I go play the video for you so you can see what go on last night. And hopefully, you know what I mean, if more videos surface, we'll just put them into other reviews or other videos, alright? So here goes.
Let me want to show you the real me. But me too cute for your answer. You know all of me want. But can't bend over my pussy too fat. I want rule me up here tonight. Two rule me up here tonight. Do not touch my pussy. And do not lift me up. I weigh 203 pounds. 100 in my breast and the rest in my body.
They gotta ask if I'm making nervous. You know I'm heavy. I know you see this bumper. I'm here to celebrate me. Let go move back.
And no bounce with my body, then I bounce got a big dirty dog and boom, boom, I come and it tight, it's feeling so rough, the dog and come.
What up, buddy?
Who was the first one to stop? Before the song stopped. Just to the right, move that thing. Right side that truck, and I won't play on you. Make it right, you're over there. Dark I know. What a minute. Hey, what's all you see? Come on, me up on the bump back now. Indicator, you know what's all with it. Bumper jumping, but oh my bumper jumping. Bumper jumping. Your body. This is your truck, but your body. Give it up for these ladies. Don't move. Stay right here. Don't move. Stay over this side. Please, don't move. Quick intermission. Listen, you have a man?
No, I'm feeling like a dollar bill.
Jesus Christ.
So how you have them bad wine and you feel like a dollar bill? What you do to the last man? What happened?
Can't tell you.
Tell me, I want you.
I just tell the people that man, you know, that's it.
What about you? You have a man? You have a man? Girl farm. Nobody know how the man hold on.
Yeah, people, so that was just a little bit of the highlights of Wagwan. You see me, we don't know if the promoter them have an official video or something or whatever, one can see the full thing. But as you know, see, most of America is open, or at least Texas is open. We definitely see that there are not a lot of restriction in Texas, so the artists them go and them perform. So people wanna big up on yourself, you know what I mean? If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourselves. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.